everyone, TeriGigi here. I'm here today to share with you a project I did with my mom of organizing and purging her closet. I took a trip over to Austin and we worked on it and we got it done and it looks amazing. So I'm going to let you see what we got done and then I'm going to come back and talk to you about a few things. So stay tuned. I'm going to update you on my channel and just let you know what's going on. So here goes the closet purge and organization and purging. Hey y'all, okay, I'm at my mom's house and she has asked me to help her organize this week. So the main thing that she wanted to get organized was my parents' closet. And she's given me permission to film. So, and we're going to try to remember to film the whole process. And we have decided, you know, there's all different ways to organize and purge and everything. And we've decided that we're going to do the KonMari method, but we're just doing the clothes first, which you're supposed to do. But we may not do every drawer. You know, I'll just show you what we do. We're just starting in the closet first. So I'm going to give you an overview of the closet. Okay, now she told me that this closet was such a wreck. And it was a lie. She lied. She got me here under false pretenses because it's completely, now you can see there's a lot of boxes under there, but to me, things are very organized. But see, I mean, it's not even messy, but she does have a ton of clothes that she never wears. And there's purses all organized, but there is stuff underneath there, but it all looks good. Here is, I guess that's my dad's side, looking good. And he doesn't have that many clothes to go through. Although that looks like a drawer situation, so I'm not sure what's going on. That must be laundry. So basically, everything in this room is organized. So basically, it's going to be just a big purge. So we have she has two clothes racks in the other room, so we're going to be able to use those. So that's going to make things very easy, but the first thing we're going to do is empty. I think we're just going to do her side, empty her side of the closet, and we will keep you updated on how it goes. Hey y'all, we've piled the bed.
I'm coming.
This is just the hanging clothes. Now if we'd have done it in one big mound, it would be much more KonMari, but it's not. Okay, we are halfway finished, and I'm telling you, we've only been in here about 30 minutes. She's done this whole half of the bed. This is all the keeps so far, which is unbelievably small. This is a few she's going to revisit. And then this is the giveaway pile. These are completely... They're so full you can barely move them. So we've got 3 total giant giveaways. She's taking them to the senior citizen instead of Goodwill. And then this is all she has left. We haven't done any other area, just the clothing in the closet. So we're about halfway through with that chore. Okay, y'all, I know it's kind of dark, but we have, just from hanging, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trash bags and this is good things that are going to the Senior Citizen Center. So we're really, really excited about this. And this is what she has left. This section, we haven't organized it yet. Here's hangers. This is the few things she's going to rethink. Then she's got this section. And this section. So, we've done hanging things, and we're going to move on to something else after we take a break. Okay, I thought I would do a little bit of a check-in with y'all. We have taken 1 load of bags of clothes to the Senior Citizen Center, and now Mom's cleaning out some shelving with jeans. She folds her jeans, so she's going through all that and going through some of my dad's things. And now I'm going through, let me show you what I'm doing. I'm going through all the clothes that she's keeping, and I'm hanging them all in the same direction, and I'm color coding them, or putting them in, you know, a color palette. Like this is all t-shirts, and then I'm going to go to 3/4 sleeve, and then I'm going to go to long sleeve. See, we're doing all this on these racks. It's so great that she had these racks. before we go put them in the closet, this is the section we're doing that are like jackets. This is robes. This is dresses. Yes, my mom owns 5 dresses. None of us wear dresses in this life. And then here's tanks. So that's kind of what I'm doing right now. It's just going through every piece and finding, you know, now I've got to do that back rack back there and go through it. And I can say this made things so much easier. So that's the update. Okay, y'all, I'm probably deteriorating a bit in each vlog, but now I'm going to show you what we finished today. We've not done shoes and purses and odds and ends, but it looks so much nicer in here. Here's her top, vest, sleeveless, and then all her t-shirts and 3/4 sleeve, short sleeve and 3/4 sleeves. Down here is all long sleeve. And then a few pants. She's got her jeans on on a shelf. And then here is robes and jammies and little knock-around dresses. And then this is beaded things, sweaters, and jackets. And then that's dresses in the very corner right there. We put her boots up there and shoes there, but we got to, again, we're going to go through and put the most logical shoes down here on the shoe shelf. We have got to go through these purses. That's a bin of purses and these purses. So we're exhausted. We're stopping for the night and, we're stopping for the night and I probably have terrible shadows in this room, but we did a lot. We've also gotten a lot of the giveaway out of the house on the day we did it, so that's very good. We're fixing to sit down, have a glass of wine. Well, she says we're having sake. I don't know about that, but we'll see. I told her, she said we would have sake, and I said, well, why don't we wear Asian style little jackets while we have our sake? See? So we've been having fun with all that. So yeah, looking good. Feels good. I'm so excited and happy to have helped my mom accomplish this, and we're going to finish the rest tomorrow. Okay, y'all, I hope you enjoyed that. Somehow, I guess I didn't go back in the closet the following day and do the whole ending. Well, let me just tell you, because I can't do that now. I'm in Alabama. The ending was this. We went through her purses, her shoes. We cleaned the top shelf. It looks amazing. And those shelves that you saw that had a whole lot of clothes on them, she went through those. We folded everything beautifully, or she did. And then my dad didn't want me to touch his side of the closet because, you know, I know what he was afraid of, that we would get rid of his clothes. But what I did do on his side of the closet is I changed out all of his plastic hangers. You know, he had those tubular, nice plastic hangers. But they were, you know, there were wire hangers mixed in, and there were the hangers that my mom had. Did you see that huge thing of the empty hangers on the hanging rack? Yeah, those are the things that she got rid of. She got rid of a ton. Anyway, I changed all his shirts out to those velvety hangers and put them in order, you know, size and color. I know they won't stay that way, but I just wanted to show him. So he came in. I said, I didn't get rid of a single thing, but what do you think? And he looked at it and he goes, well, where's my hangers? I said, well, what do you think of these hangers? And he goes, well, where's my hangers? And I said, they're in the bin right there. You're welcome to switch it all back. But I just wanted to show you how nice. And he goes, it does look really good. It looks really good. But here's his problem with it. And he said the exact same thing my husband said. So y'all might have heard the same thing if you've ever tried to make all your hangers uniform with the velvet kind where nothing falls off. You cannot just grab a t-shirt and pull it off the hanger and go on your merry way because it grips it. You can't do it that way. You have to take it off and take the t-shirt off the hanger. And that was very annoying to my husband and my dad. But my husband never mentioned it after the first day, so it must be fine. And he does like the hangers too. I haven't asked my mom for an update about my dad's hangers. Anyway, so we did all the rest of the closet and it looked great. My mom got so motivated. She also did her bathroom linen closet. She did the upstairs office closet. She did her sitting room closet. Her and my dad worked on the Harry Potter closet, which is their under the stairs closet that have a real long closet that's the width of a door that goes the length of the stairs like this, and then when the stairs go that way, the closet kind of goes that way. It's a great storage closet, but you have to stay on top of it because it's narrow and you will block yourself out of walking into it. So you have to keep that walkway, which is really good because it keeps you from junking it up. But so in there, she has a big shelf, which this is a great idea. If you have room, a big shelf where she just has home decor that she can come in and out and switch out. And, oh, I need a candle, or I need this, or I need that. That's one of my goals at the beach house eventually, is to have a home decor area where I can go grab things when I want. I really don't want it out in the barn. I want it in the house. But I only have 3 closets in the entire house, so I don't know if I'm ever going to be able to accomplish that. Let's see. I think that's all that she's done. She's done drawers. I mean, she got so motivated. So, all that to tell you, if you want to get something done, just start. And if you feel like you can't start, find a friend, a buddy, or a family member that you think might be good with you, working with you, and see if they'll come and help you just get motivated to start. Because once you start, the feeling you get is so amazing that you just want to keep going, right? Okay, now, my channel. I wanted to let y'all know what I'm planning on. I'm really, really busy right now. I'll tell you why in a minute. So, excuse me. My plan, I have been doing this, but you probably didn't notice. I've been uploading on Mondays and then an occasional Thursday. Mondays will be just regular videos, and Thursday will be reserved for probably vlogs, if I do a vlog, and if I have a story time to do. Now, I have a whole list of story times, so occasionally I will be doing that, okay? So that will be Thursdays, and then Mondays will just be regular videos just about simplification, which is still my goal, still my thought process for this year. But I have been at the apartment now, back to our kind of regular schedule, where we're at the apartment during the week, and then every weekend or every other weekend we go down to the beach house. So I have found that there's nothing for me to do here. There's no distractions at this apartment. So I have been writing fast and furiously on my book, and I'll fill you in, but I will tell you that I'm almost finished, like of my first total go through. I'm almost finished. I've probably got 5 chapters to go. Yeah, I think I'll tell you about my process on another video when I tell you kind of where I'm at with it further down the road. But right now I'm about to finish my first draft. Some of the sentences, they're so bad when you just write, but if you don't just spew it out there, you'll never get it done. I mean, that's just me talking as such a professional. I've got one book here that I wrote, but anyway. So this book has been easier to write because it is not historical. I do not have to keep it accurate, although I certainly do, because if I want to mention a song or something in this book, I go research and make sure that the song wasn't done, released 10 years after I said it. Because, you have to keep these things correct. At least I do, or it would drive me crazy. So the book's been easier in the respect that it's not historical. It's modern time. So what else did I want to tell you? I guess there's nothing else. I can't think of it if there is. We're heading to the house tomorrow. Can't wait. I haven't been there in 3 weeks. That's the longest we haven't been at the house since we bought it last May. So it's kind of weird. So we're going to go there for the weekend. And then I am going to be staying there. That's what I was going to tell you. I am going to be staying there soon, over the next couple of weeks, because the apartment, the owners, whatever, they're redoing everyone's screen porch. They're replacing all the screens. They're painting if there's any rotten wood, because it's framed in wood outside and inside, so they're replacing pieces of that. They're painting. They're doing all kind of things, and they're very loud. And they finally got into our building. I can hear the sawing going on. They finally got into our building So while they're doing that, I'm not going to stay here. I'm going to go down and stay at the beach because it's going to be right there. Right there, they're going to be. And I'm home all day, and I don't want to be home while they're doing this. It takes them a while, too, because they kind of do it in stages. And Coco loves to be outside, and the screens are off for a long time. I've noticed people's screens have been out. Once they take them out, they're gone for like 2 weeks, and then they come and re-screen it. So I'm going to be at the house some, and lots of other good things coming up. So I just wanted to fill you in. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you're procrastinating, I'm telling you, if you'll just start with something, you will be so happy and you'll probably keep moving. Thanks. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.